Hello boys and girls, welcome back with the third puzzle in this additional with extra sudokus or puzzles in today's newspaper on Monday. Yes, it's Monday, June the 21st, 2021. We have two puzzles left, tectonic, 4 stars and a binary, but first I will solve this baby, and this one will be number 2982. All right. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's an 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column there are always 4 O's and 4 ones. Alright, so let's get started. Double O here, 1 there, 1. 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 Double 1 here, no there, no. Double 1 here, no there, no. We have 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Double O here, 1 there, 1. Double 1 here, no there, no. We have 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Double 1 here, no there, no. Double O here, 1 there, 1. We have 4 ones now, so the rest are O's. Double O here, 1 there, 1. Now we have 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Then between 2 ones comes an O. Then 4 ones in this row, so the rest are O's. Now we have 4 O's, so the rest are ones. We have 4 ones here, so the rest are O's. Double 1 here, no there, no. Double O here, 1 there, 1. 4 ones we have, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have in the first row, so the rest are ones. Here we have 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Now we have 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Then we need to compare, I think. 3, 3, yes. Let me compare. The columns I cannot compare. Let me compare the rows. 1001, do we have over here? Those 2 and 01. Yes, this one and that one. 1, 1, 0, 0, 0. 1, 1, empty box. So 1, 1, 0, 0. So we need to switch those 2 digits. We have O here, this should be a 1. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. Double O here, 1 there, 1. 4 ones we have, so the rest are O's. Finish in 3 minutes. Wow, quicker than I thought, and I like this one to solve. Yes, like this binary. Thank you for watching, and if you like this, thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later in a minute with the last puzzle of today, a tectonic with 4 stars. See you then. Bye bye for now.